On this Millennial review, I'm going to show you how to install ink cartridges in a Canon TS3100 series printer. To do that, the first thing you're going to do is find the front of your printer. Go ahead and pull down on the center portion. When you do that, you'll notice that inside of the printer, the print heads will show. After that, you can then take your ink, go ahead and peel the cover off of the ink, give it a good shake to get it ready to go in. Then you can pull off this little cover and you'll go ahead and slide the ink in and push that straight into place. Then you can do the color version of the ink as well. Same process, give this a good shake. Peel off the cover, and then facing forward like that, you'll go ahead, slide it right into place, and just push in, and it'll click right into place. Just like that. And that's how you install the ink inside of a Canon TS3000 series printer.